Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out some epoxy resin. Yay! So I finally got a few things. I did get silicone molds to do other projects. So today we're going to be doing a cute little turtle mold. I bought this mold on Amazon. I'll be posting links to all the stuff down below as well, by the way. And for today, we're going to be trying the Bedazzled UV resin. And this is supposed to be already pre-mixed, so there's no pre-mixing. Basically, it's just a pour using a heat gun to get those bubbles out. I'm mixing it with some nails. I have this flaky glitter that I'm going to be mixing into this mold. So clear with the glitter inside in the turtle. And then once he's done setting, we're gonna decorate him with its rhinestone. Tom will be here all day putting little rhinestones on this turtle. I'm telling you what, let's get to it.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret stars. tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on, and even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
gonna be real. That took a while, like 2 days. Well, technically, if you want to talk about all the work time that I put into it, it took about 8 hours, 9 hours of work. That was a lot. But for my first epoxy project, I'm really excited. I definitely learned a learning curve here. And I'm so happy that I was able to manipulate the epoxy in a way to get the turtle shiny. This is a birthday present that I have made my mother, and I can't wait to send it to her. I think she's going to really like it. Also, I am going to be possibly producing these guys. I want to get the shell perfect before I start, you know, throwing it out on the market. So give me a moment. Let me perfect my technique, and these will be on the market soon. So I don't know. Kind of want to call him Fred. Throw down in the comments what you think I should call these guys that I make. I love him. He's so cute. I did put sparkles in the epoxy, so there's like a sparkle embedded in there. And then the rhinestones, I used a brush and did the epoxy over the rhinestones so none of them pop off. Because I was having that issue where it would just move a little bit. One would bloom, bloom. Now I wanted to seal these on here like, you know, like nails. Like these ain't coming off now. So, yep, this spread is going to go to my mom. Happy birthday, Mother. And I will be making more of these guys. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these beautiful little sea turtles, just throw me a comment down below and I will do my best to try to accommodate. Right now we're setting up on Shopify. We don't have anything set up. So I'm trying to set up over Facebook Marketplace, and or I'm selling within my region where I'm at. So we have a few deals going on in town, but I do want to get online. I want to be selling this online. And I don't have an Etsy shop or anything set up yet. So I'm getting there. This is a process. I really wanted to deal with the learning curve first, deal with the 3D printer and the epoxy projects. Very soon here, I'm going to be making epoxy Buddhas. So that will be probably my next project, is going to be an epoxy Buddha. I just didn't want to use all the epoxy on one project. He's a pretty big Buddha. And then on top of that, doing epoxy with very large, the larger the project is, the harder for the epoxy to necessarily set and really solidify, which is kind of like, even though I sat there for an hour and did the lights on this, I feel like that's why I kind of got the imperfections here and there on the shell, because I don't think it quite set there. And then I moved it, and then it did eventually set over the process of me constantly UV lighting it, and ergo now this is what we have. So yeah, but I mean, so far so good. I think he's adorable. Fred's amazing, and I really like that if they don't come out of the mold perfectly, like I can fix it, adjust it. It's got a process. Love it. So thank you for watching my channel. I hope you all had a good time. This was an extreme amount of fun for me, even though it was time consuming, and I actually find that it very meditating to bedazzle things. This was insane. It took a while. So thank you all for supporting my channel. If you wouldn't mind throwing on that like, and if you haven't been here before, you want to stick around, throw on that subscribe. More videos are here to come, more projects are on the way, and I'm just getting started. Lose your mind and find your soul. I hope you all have an amazing day. I'll be seeing you later. Bye.